Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be doing a room tour. If you guys saw my like college move-in vlog, then you would know I'm like all okay, I keep looking at the freaking viewfinder. Okay, wait, take two. You guys would know that I am living in a house this semester with 3 other roommates. It's honestly only been like a week or two and I'm already enjoying it so much more than when I lived like in the actual dorms. Seriously. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will have that on the screen as always. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. If not, then don't. I feel like there was one more thing I was gonna say. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see like a full house tour, let me know. Honestly, I can't decide if that's something you guys would be interested in or not, so just comment down below and I will film it like eventually. Let's just go ahead and get started because I'm really excited to show you guys what my room is looking like. Let's go. When you first walk in, I just have my IKEA Alex drawer. I actually had this one back at home, but I decided to bring it with me, and honestly, it was the best decision I could have made. I do keep my luggage here just because it's actually really cute, so like, why not? I just kind of keep the most randomest, is randomist a word? So yeah, I just keep the most like random things, like extra flashcards and like sticky notes and just like school supplies. I just have like my PJs, some extra like shorts, leggings, jean shorts and jeans, and then I have like a little snack drawer, but honestly right now it's like slacking because I only have like 3 things, so yeah. In the top part, I just kind of have like this little plant. It's actually from Target. This like fall scented candle from Bath and Body Works, and honestly it smells so good, you guys. Like, I've started to use it even though fall like literally just started. Definitely recommend it, and it's in the scent White Pumpkin. I just have this water I never finished drinking because I went to like this coffee shop and then that happened. I have this little like marble stand, and I actually got it from Home Goods. On it I just kind of have like my main skincare products, my Mario Badescu rose water spray, my Glossier solution exfoliator, my Glossier SPF living proof dry shampoo. I have my Mario Badescu drying lotion, and then I just have like a mason jar with a bunch of like cute marble brushes that I got from like BH Cosmetics. This wall is pretty empty. I don't know if I want to put more stuff on it, but I just kind of have this like quote because I'm in like Delight. It's like our main like passage. That's like what you see when you first enter. Right next to the front entrance, I kind of just have all of this right here. Where do I even start? So I have this like marble trash can that I actually got from Amazon, and I do have some plastic bags left from like before I started using reusable bags. I'm kind of still using those because if not, that would have been even more of a waste if I like throw those away without using them. I have this little straw bag that I got from TJ Maxx, and I just have like my portable charger in there. This is actually like a hair scarf, but I'm currently using it as like a little bag accessory. And honestly, my bag looks really cute there. It's just like hanging off of a thumbtack, so hopefully that works out. I actually have had this piece of furniture for like the longest, like literally years. I think it is from Walmart, but pretty sure Target also sells these, so yeah, I don't know. I'm a Target gal. I actually have this mirror right here that's from Target. I've honestly had it for like quite a few years now because it does have like rust on the sides, but like I feel like it looks vintage like that, so I don't mind it. I have this little button. I got it from like California actually. I don't know where to put it because it keeps falling off of my like Glossier bag, so I just have it there. I have my AirPods here because I like try to work out often. Actually got this like jewelry compartment thingy from Dormify. I'll link that down below because this is definitely an investment that I am like not regretting. Like, it's so useful. I actually got the idea of putting like my scrunchies on here through Pinterest. Most of these scrunchies are from Ulta, by the way, except this one is from Dress Up. I'm gonna hook myself up, but there's a code. I'll leave it on the screen. Honestly, I only brought like my most favorite necklaces. I'm not gonna show you guys all of them because like that's not the point of this video, but this one is so cute. It's actually from Raw and Rebellious, and I got it when I went to like this conference. The owner of that business like spoke. I've honestly just been obsessed with her and her whole jewelry line for the longest now. And then I have this other necklace. I got this one in the beginning of summer from this girl that makes jewelry in my school, so I thought that was pretty cool. This bracelet right here is probably my most favorite one. It says "Be You," and I wear it honestly like so much. Oh no! I got this one from Lizard Thicket, and I love wearing it because it like reminds me to keep being me no matter what. And then right here I just keep my rings, just keep some scrunchies. In this first cubby I kind of just have this quote. I brought this one from my dorm, and I actually decided to keep it on there because I still really love it. In the back over here I just kind of have like some of my more, I guess, luxurious makeup products. I have this like foundation from Too Faced. I don't know why I still have this, but this was the very first like Glossier lip gloss that I got. It's so friggin' good, honestly. I recommend it. I have this little fragrance that I got from Urban Outfitters. I don't wear it a lot, but I do like spraying it in my room, which sounds really weird, but it's just a very like calming, fresh scent. I have my Too Faced Hangover Primer. I honestly don't even know if I have any more of that, but I just kept it there. My Fenty Beauty lip gloss back here. I wore that so much this summer, but now I'm kind of like not wearing it as much anymore. And I actually did buy another Glossier lip gloss because it's so good and it's honestly not that expensive. So I'll link it down below because it's probably my favorite lip product. Back here I just have the Too Faced lip injection. It's supposed to make your lips like more plump and stuff. I actually do feel like it really does work. I did decide to get the Glossier like Halo lip gloss as well. This one is actually brand new. And then honestly I just have like 3 more Glossier like lip products. So down here I kind of just have 2 books right here. This one right here is You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. I hope that's how you say it. I honestly love reading this every summer. I've had it for like 2 years now, and I didn't even finish reading it this summer, so I feel kind of bad, but yeah. And I have this little daily planner that I got from Urban Outfitters like last year, but I hate how it doesn't have like a monthly spread, which I guess it could be both a good thing and a bad thing, but I decided to keep it just because I do love how it has like a to-do list section in case you're interested, and it was $24. Back here I just kind of have these Stabilo Boss I really hope I said that right, highlighters that I got from Amazon like last semester, black pens, because these are the main things you need in college, honestly, if you take notes and stuff. And then I just have these other like felt pens that I've had since high school. And then I do have my Ollie multivitamins because I actually do feel like these somewhat help. These are actually from Target, and I think you could only like purchase them from Target or like online. In this bottom portion I just kind of have this wooden like storage compartment that I got from Home Goods. Inside of it I just kind of keep my makeup bag in here. By the way, you guys, this is my favorite mascara I think I've ever tried. Big Ego mascara from Tarte. I completely just am obsessed with it. And then I do have like, I think this is where I keep, yeah, this is where I keep like Advil or just like little things like that that I might need every once in a while. And I have this Jaclyn Hill palette. Honestly, I should be using it a lot more. Like, it looks like I haven't even used any of it. Right here, I just kind of have this little fluffy ottoman that I actually got from Ross literally like 2 years ago. Honestly, you can't even tell it's from Ross. Like, it's so comfortable, so cute. Over here, there's not that much. I just kind of have this little wooden basket where I put all of my dirty laundry, and it is actually from TJ Maxx. My mom brought me some like smart water bottles, so I don't know, I'm just keeping them there for now. The main portion of my room, I would have to say, is like my whole bedding area. I'm gonna start off with this little light pink throw blanket. It does have 4 little like pom-poms in the side, which I am honestly obsessed with. I try to like let them hang off of my bed here and there. This is actually from the Opal House brand that they sell at Target. I definitely recommend it, and it was only like $10, so I'll link it down below if I could find it. My actual bedding I have had for forever. It does kind of have this really popular like kind of pinched print on it. But I honestly am obsessed with that just because it's very like minimalist, but it still adds a little something to a regular like white bedding. My rug, I actually don't know where it's from because my roommate got it, but I'll make sure to ask her for you guys. This plant right here, I actually got it from TJ Maxx. I was gonna buy a little plant stand like the ones that you see off of Pinterest, but honestly I kind of like how it looks like that. This top one right here, I think I also got that one from TJ Maxx, but it didn't come with like a pot, so this one is actually from Hobby Lobby. If you guys are still decorating like your room or like your dorm room, like greenery is the way to go. So yeah, I love my little greenery section, and they are both fake because your girl is not really like a plant mom. So I tried once with this little succulent that I got from like Trader Joe's, and then it fell off my dorm bed, so that's why I'm just not the right person for plants. And then I just kind of have this little gold like light thingy. It goes all the way down and it has a little circular base. It's actually from Target and it was not that expensive. My pillow situation, I'm still kind of figuring it out. I had purchased this pillow right here to keep back at home because I have like no decorative pillows at home. I love the little pom-poms it has in the side, and it's just like this beige color. It just really reminded me of like Urban Outfitters and stuff like that, so that's why I got it. I did get this one from TJ Maxx, and that one is from Bed Bath & Beyond. This pinch pleated bedding actually did come with like 2 shams, so I just kept those with it. Sometimes I do like to edit or like study or read on my bed, so when I do, I honestly don't even know what people call these, but back pillow. Yeah, that one is from Target. Definitely check them out. On top, I have this little picture frame right here. It was actually gonna go in my bathroom, but I actually decided to keep it on top of my bed because I feel like it goes really well with like all the colors. I actually got it from Citizen Supply. If you guys don't know what that is, it's like a store inside of Pont City Market. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but I'm pretty sure you could find somewhere to purchase it online, so I'll link it down below if I could find a different option that's like the same print but from somewhere else. One of the main things I love from my room is just kind of this like wall gallery. I'm actually really considering adding more prints into it just because I got this inspiration from Pinterest and from the whole like picture with Teza and like the wall that she has in the background. I'll put it right here just so you guys know what I'm talking about. But I was going for something like that, but honestly like that used a lot of ink up, so I'm trying to decide if I should buy more, just kind of leave it like this. But for now, that's just kind of what it looks like. So I just have some stars right here. I have a lot of self-love quotes because that's kind of my thing. It's just like a topic I love talking about. And by the way, most of these prints are actually from Pinterest. Just look for them on there if you guys want to print the same ones out. I have something related to Ari. I have the Glossier logo and the Glossier like cloud paint that I actually still want to try out. Oh my goodness. I actually got this little like you look good little square thing from when I purchased things in the Glossier inside of the California location, so I just like cut that out from the little like receipt tag thing where they have your name and stuff in the back. And I have this one. It says, "You're busy doubting yourself while some people are intimidated by your potential." This one motivates me so much. I have these little gold stars because this is like my highlight on Instagram. They're supposed to be like little glitter stars. I don't even know if you guys can tell. This quote I love. It says, "You will never influence the world by trying to be like it." This one says, "Darling, you're different." I just printed out like a Mario Badescu rose water spray because that's literally me every night. I love like red lips right now, so I got this one from Pinterest as well. Good things happen to babes who hustle. I don't know why, but that really reminds me of like American Threads, inspired by them. Old ways won't open you doors. And then the last two that I have is never be afraid of change. And then I have this one, be gentle with yourself. You're doing the best you can, because I'm also like a big advocate of like the fact that yeah, it looks nice to be a boss babe and all of that, but it's also equally as inspiring to be somebody who like knows when to rest and not be hustling all the time. So yeah, my wall, I just kind of decided to keep it very personal and true to myself. I might add more little prints here and there, but for now, like, this is just what it looks like. We actually do have a window over here. I just love letting all the light in, so half of the time, like, it's always up like this. So yeah, that is pretty much like the whole tour of everything I have like on my side of the room. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I really am just going for a very like minimalist type of vibe, so that's why why there's like not a whole bunch of things, but honestly I'm just really happy with my space. It's just really nice to have a comfortable space to come back to after like a hard day of college. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will have that somewhere on the screen, and if you guys have any questions about anything, just let me know down below and I will get back to you guys on that. Okay, bye guys.